Hello! Today I've got a fun and simple stretchy band activity to use with the song Skidamarink-a-Dink. I'm going to show you two different levels you can use this song with your stretchy band. We're going to mainly be focusing on playing the steady beat. This song can be a quick warm-up or a team building activity or act as a music class activity to focus on feeling and playing and being on the beat. When I use a stretchy band, I usually have all the children already in a circle and it's in a pile in the middle. Then I will call out certain children to go grab a yellow band, a blue band, a green band, a red part of the band, a purple part of the band, orange, and I'll have them grab it and then everybody will pull it back to their spot in the circle. This is a small individual section of a larger stretchy band. It's called a connected band, but this activity will work really well with a very large group of children. The song Skidamarink-a-Dink is very familiar to most kids, and if they're not familiar with it, that's okay. Let's go ahead and play the song and have them hold on, and we're going to have them hold with two hands, and we're just going to bounce on the beat. We're not going to worry about too much what they're doing for the activity right now. Let's go through it, get them familiar with the tempo. The song repeats a little bit 2 times and the words. And then after that, you can go through and talk about the words and make them more familiar with it or have them chant it back to you, whatever will work for you in your situation. The one to do with the youngest children is just to bounce on the beat to the song. And we're only going to choose one sentence to do a special movement on for these younger children. We're going to use the phrase, I love you. And we're going to go in, I, love, out, and then we're going to go in, you. Now, most likely you'll be sitting down while you do the activity, but you can do it standing up. If you want to have a little more fun with that, have the kids take 4 steps in, I love you, and go all the way to the middle, and then they have to hurry and get back to their spot to keep on bouncing. So that would be just one way to get everybody warmed up to the song, and we're going to focus on the words I love you, which is going to help with classroom community, team building, and relationships in your classroom. For level 2, we're going to build on that activity and we're actually going to move our whole bodies. Now you can begin by sitting down, or you can go ahead, if it's like 3rd graders, go ahead and have them stand up to do these moves. So we're going to do the love you in the morning, above our heads, and in the afternoon, love you in the evening. And then for moon, we're just going to have them pull all the way up, moon, and then go all the way down to their toes and get back and go bouncing again on Skidamarink-a-Dink-a-Dink. You'll also do the I, out, love, in, and you is out. And then if they, like I said, are 1st grade and up, you could have them at the very end of the song, which would be the 2nd time. You can have them stretch it and even step out a little bit of your circle as wide as they can go. And then I love, and everybody lets go of the band on the word you, and it won't hurt anyone. It bounces to the center and shrinks and gets small in the middle of the circle. It's super fun and your kids will love that. So here's how level 2 will look. Me just pulling on the stretchy band, but just to give you an idea of how it'll look with the music. Skidamarink-a-dink-a-dink, skidamarink-a-doo, I love you. Skidamarink-a-dink-a-dink, skidamarink-a-doo, I love you. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening and underneath the moon. Skidamarink-a-dink-a-dink, skidamarink-a-doo, I love you. Stretchy bands are such a fun way to keep everybody engaged in your music classroom and in the PE room too, and in any smaller classes where the children need a movement activity. I myself use Bear Paw Creek stretchy bands. I highly recommend you check them out. There is a link and code below. The song Skidamarink-a-Dink, my version of it, is also on the Sing, Play, Create Kids music channel if you want a video. And the song is on all of your favorite music channels. Don't forget to check out all of our Stretchy Band movement activities on this channel, and there's such a great way to help your students connect, make friends, and work together to learn music concepts. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's keep kids moving and learning with music.